Hey everybody, Pete Hendricks Classics here. In this video, I want to tell you about one of our offerings, which is the Scent Your Own offering. Now, some of you will already know about this. We've had this for some time, though, I haven't marketed it as much lately, and I need to get back to that. So, let me tell you what it is for those who don't know. Scent Your Own is an offering where you get the product, such as the tub of soap, and the fragrance separately. In shaving, then you add the fragrance to the shave soap. If you want to make your own splash, you can do that. If you want to make your own EDP, you can do that. So here's what the advantages are of this. First of all, you don't need so many tubs of soap, so it's a space self-explanatory. You can also make your own scents. I didn't realize that would be as popular as it has been, but people love to put together their own fragrances. You can mix these together. You can save money. And this is how I kind of invented it. I got tired of purchasing tubs of soap where I didn't really like the fragrance that much, but I had the whole tub of soap. And with this, you really only have to have one tub of unscented soap. And, of course, folks are going to have more. I make it and I have more than just my unscented soap. But you definitely can save money. The fragrance oil vials don't cost that much. They're a fraction of the cost of a tub of soap. You also get higher quality fragrance, and the point there, you can also try fragrances for less. Our smaller vials are under $5, or they're right at $5. That's a fourth of the cost of many tubs of soap and a fifth the cost of some. So those are the advantages of this, and with that, it's time to move over to show you how to do some of these things.